Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing well. So let's start. So since we are working on YouTube channel, NetSuite, we are learning NetSuite together. So since we are continuously working on a NetSuite channel, so in last video we have captured how NetSuite inventory adjustment works and what it is. So for all, first of all, Um, if you are new here, please go to YouTube channel and search Sweet Stream YouTube channel, and you can find all the related content of NetSuite for based on like in the sequentially you can find all the modules and topics. So please go and watch. If you are basic, then that will be very helpful for you. So that will be very prizeful. It will give you a big impact, and it will like help you to understand each and every module and content. So and also I have a request, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow join, so whenever we are uploading the videos, so it will get notification, it will send a notification to you. So based on that you can find and you can watch from there. So let's start. So in our last video, we have explained what is inventory adjustment. So in NetSuite and how it works. Adjustment, it was just nothing like adjusting the quantity based on that to location. So for the more detailed description, you can go to the playlist on the YouTube channel. You can find the topics video, then you can watch and you can understand. So in today's video, we are going to learn about inventory transfer. So, what is inventory transfer? When we are talking about inventory transfer, so inventory transfer is nothing just as like a process of moving the item quantity from one location to another location. So, like how we can use inventory transfer, like replacement stock at the different store location, moving inventory between the warehouses for better distribution, transferring seasonal product to location with higher demand, balancing inventory level across the location to optimize our sale. So, in simple word, if you want to understand, inventory transfer is nothing just moving the quantity from one location to another location. So we'll understand the example as well here. So let's say example number one. So let's say we have a clothing brand moving jacket between the stores. If fashion retailer brand wear has two warehouses, warehouse A and warehouse B. So warehouse A is in New York and warehouse B is Los Angeles. So in warehouse A there are 500 jackets in stock, but in warehouse B only 10 jacket left. So, but that place is in high demand, so customer are requesting to make it available. So in that scenario, what we can do, what on the urgent basis we can do the inventory transfer, from New York we can transfer to Los Angeles. So if we'll make it transfer, then the quantity will be switched from one place to another place. Then Los Angeles will also able to sold to their customers. So based on this, this process works. Let's see one more example in a real time scenario. Let's say we are having let's say take an example of Flipkarts. So Flipkart's also selling some product or something. So whenever they are selling, they are also having a different location. Let's assume that we have a Bangalore and Kolkata. So in the Bangalore and Kolkata, they are having Samsung Ultra, so latest version model phone. So in that Kolkata, let's assume there is a 500 phone available in the stock, but in Bangalore there are only 20 item stocks. But in Bangalore there is a high demand of sale. So in that scenario, what customer can do? Move 100 Samsung S24 Ultra units from Kolkata to Bangalore. So once it will make it available to the Bangalore, then customer can easily buy and seller can easily sell to the customers. So this is the process of inventory transfer in NetSuite, how it works, how the things are moving, so that we'll see in the real time. And I will walk through in the NetSuite how it works and how it adjusting the quantity. So from Kolkata, if we sell, suppose we have 500, as we explained, we are transferring 100 to Bangalore, then how it will be the available quantity after transferring. So it will increase in destination places and it will decrease in the location Kolkata, because we are sending from Kolkata to Bangalore, so it will increase into the Bangalore and it will decrease the quantity at the Kolkata level. So this way, this inventory transfer is working. So this was just an example explanation, how it works. So in our next video, we'll live walk through in the NetSuite how it works really. So let's see in our next video with the real-time scenario, how we are using this inventory transfer in NetSuite. So this was the inventory transfer we have created, inventory item Samsung Ultra is we'll creating. So in our next video we are going to use this item and we'll do the adjust transfer on the live, so that we can easily understand. So see you in our next video. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt, any queries, please comment us so we can help and we can clarify the issue as soon as possible. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. See you in our next video.